Hey guys, it's Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, instead of doing original covers that I usually do, I will be doing a makeup tutorial. So if you like this, then please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's hop into it. So when I first do my makeup, I always take my LA Colors Conceal and Correct. I apply it underneath my eye, but underneath my eyes to hide the black circles. I apply it just like this. I take a disposable sponge. You can find this literally anywhere. A dollar store, Walmart. You can order them offline. So I take my sponge and I blend it in. Just like that. Then I put my sponge in my brush back, my sponge in my concealer back. Then I grab my Milani eye primer. I will use this every time I do an eyeshadow look. It's really good quality. I squeeze a little bit onto my finger. Just like that. Then I apply it to my eyelids. Just like that. Then I blend it in with my finger. You can use a ring finger, but I always use my middle finger. Gets more coverage done. Gonna put that aside. I take some Scotch tape. Really, you can get it from Walmart in the work section. I take off a little piece or a big piece. I put it. It's like this big. I always apply it to my corners. Just like that. I will be using my 24 karat gold nude palettes from Maybelline. Anthony, get out of the way. Anthony, seriously. Go sit down. Sorry about that. I take my 24 karat nudes palette from Maybelline. So, I'm going to be using this golden color on the outside of my crease. Just like that. And I'm going to make it onto this side. Then I clean off my brush. I go in my little like Flush P Precision brush. I'll be using this color on the outside of my lid. Just like that. Then I clean off my brush again. Blow on the palette. I'm going in with this purple right here for the inside of my lid. Just like that. I'm going to wipe off my brush. Close my palette. Then take off the tape. Like that. Now I'm going back with my angle brush. I take this white right here. As you can tell, I use it a lot. I apply it to my tear duct. Just like that. I take some highlighter, the same brush. I apply on top of the white. Not right now. Anthony, leave the camera alone. Yeah. Just like that, I add the highlighter on top of the white. This is called Estate in the color Do Me. It's by. It says by. The top broke off. But this is really good quality highlighter if you want to like make your eyes really pop. Anthony, get out of the camera shot. I can see you. Then I take my dual brush, with the spoolie and the brush on the end. I go with my Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio. I brush my eyebrows back. Stop, Anthony. Just like that. I go with my eyebrow pomade. I apply it onto my eyebrows. What, Anthony? I have one eyebrow done. I do my best to mimic the eyebrow length on each side. Then I go in with this. With the same white I just used. I take a small precision brush and clean up around the lines. Just like that. Then blend in the white. Not right now, Anthony. You can sit on my lap when I'm done. Just like that, I clean up the eyebrows. Give it a nice little arch.
I can see myself.
Yes, you can.
It's me on the camera.
It doesn't really matter if you like your eyebrows thick or thin, as long as they look good on you. As long as they look good on you, you shouldn't worry about what other people think. Anthony, sit down. Then go with my Tarte eyeliner in Sex Kitten. This is really good quality. I apply it to my eyelash line. Just like that. I do the same on the other eye. I do another wing on this side. Kind of like that.
Camera.
It doesn't really matter if they look even or not, because people won't be looking at your face. They won't be like going close, like, oh, one eyeliner wing is bigger than the other. They wouldn't be doing that. From an angle, they look equal, but when you get up close, they look kind of wonky. Anthony, get out of the camera! I go back with my Estate highlighter. I take my big fluffy brush. I apply it to my cheekbones, right along here. I do the same on this side. Just like that. Then I apply it to my nose, on my nostrils, down the bridge. Cupid's bow. Eyelid. And you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, leave a big thumbs up, and comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.